Hi, this is Nick Katko from LeanThink Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an initial setup of the software, perform an analysis, and give you some basic navigation skills from the dashboard. So let's get started. After you register, you'll be asked to set up an administrator. Set up some company information. Click on Save, and that takes you to the dashboard. The first thing that we recommend is you click on Getting Started. And Getting Started is some helpful tips and some information that we recommend you print out and read before you start entering data, because you want to go and gather the right data and enter it to make your setup as efficient and effective as possible. All the required information is listed here with an explanation or definition. There's some information about your general ledger input. And if you decide you want to practice first before entering your own data, we have a practice value stream dataset that you can download by clicking on either of these links, and you can practice using it with no harm to any original data that you enter. So let's get started. We're going to add a value stream. We name it, and we go to the Setup button here, click on it, and we enter our information. Once we enter the workday information, we enter some production information. We're going to put all our information in minutes. Employees perform the work. Then we enter some unit information. And the helpful tips, if you want to understand what information is needed or get some clarification, if you scroll over any of these words, you will understand what information is needed and also where it's used. Reserve capacity is how much we'd like to keep in reserve. We can also have some dedicated continuous improvement time designated. After we set up the value stream information, we now go to the operational process setup. And here we're going to enter a lot of the non-productive activity information. Click on Save. We go back to the dashboard, and the next step is to upload a general ledger. After the general ledger is uploaded, you will be asked to categorize each line item so that we can create a summary income statement in the software. Click on Save. You go back to the dashboard. You've completed the initial setup. Now you can perform analysis on this value stream. Click on New Analysis. And what you see here is your box score, the current state and the future state. Now these are the same at this point in time. If you scroll down here, any of these boxes, if you click on them, what you will do is you will open up all the input information which was done previously. And in these boxes, you can make changes. So what we're going to do here for demonstration purposes is that we're going to reduce the changeover time from 60 minutes down to 30 minutes. We're going to reduce our scrap from 20% to 10%. We're going to reduce the percentage of items inspected from 30% to 15%, and we're going to reduce downtime from 20% to 10%. You scroll back up, you can see the immediate impact of the changes which you are proposing for the future state. Everything is highlighted in blue. The next step is to click on Save and create a projection. The idea of the future state projection is, what do we want to do with that available capacity? So in this case, we're going to scroll down here and we're going to see if we can ship more products. We're going to see if we can meet our monthly demand of 6,500 units a month. We type those numbers in. We look up here and we can do it. You can see the improvements in performance under the performance measures. You can see that we still have 3% available capacity, and you can see the financial impact of shipping units to meet demand. Click on Save, and then you click on Save and Exit Analysis. You go back to the box score. This analysis will always be available for viewing by clicking on, and then you can create a new analysis. You can upload and update your general ledger. You can also update any information in the value stream or in the operational current state, because periodically we make improvements and we create new current states. And if you want to add another value stream, you simply click over here and you can add as many value streams as you want. So that's basically how the software works. If you have any questions, please contact us at ncatco@leanthinksoftware.com or fill out the Contact Us information form on our website. Thank you.